Greetings to everyone. Before we proceed, let me introduce our new marketing head, Miss Alia, to our team.
Hello.
Hello.
Being a poultry company, I think it's time to innovate. We really need to introduce new products into the market to increase our sales and revenue.
Of course, Mr. Dhawan is our team leader. We can do this, right?
Yes, of course, sir. Mr. Rajnikant here is our R&D expert. I'm sure he will give us some solutions, right?
Our market research shows that we have a huge untapped market of vegetarian customers. So I think we should develop vegetarian eggs to cater to them to boost our sales. That will bring a fortune to our company. Can you do that?
No,
Of course we can do that. That's why we pay our R&D a fortune. Let me just write it down.
You know what? If vegetarian anda is giving me profit, I need that.
सर आप समझे नहीं मुर्गी अंडा देती है टमाटर नहीं इट्स इम्पॉसिबल
What do you even mean it's impossible? You are R&D. You have to give us some solutions.
How about we paint our eggs green?
ग्रीन व्हाट इट वोंट मेक द एग अ वेजिटेबल
I see now. For the vegetarians, right? As they eat hari sabzi, they'll eat green eggs.
How about we develop green eggs? Like we feed murgi, palak and dhania so that it lays green eggs.
Can we do it? Tell me you can.
यस बट
Get your butt moving, buddy. Murgi anda degi. वो भी vegetarian वाले. And you have to make sure of it.
Sir, I have noticed that square products are in demand. So let's make our eggs square.
बट दैट्स इररिलेवेंट
नहीं, it's correct. अगर अपने अंडे में कोने नहीं होंगे तो देश के कोने कोने में कैसे पहुंचेगा?
इज इट एन एग और द टेसरैक्ट फ्रॉम द एवेंजर्स
What's a tesseract?
तुम तो रहने ही दो तुम बस अंडे दो
Why aren't you Tony Stark? You could have done anything.
इफ आई वाज आयरन मैन आई वुड बी फकिंग रिच and wouldn't be working for anyone.
Let's not digress from the issue. Focus on the vegetarian anda.
You are Rajnikant. Just give me an explosion of solutions, man.
Okay, so let me show you why it seems impossible. So, as you can see, here, these are worms, hen, and eggs. Worms are eaten by hen, and hen lay eggs, right? So, the egg is obviously non-vegetarian. So, where does the vegetarian egg come into the picture?
पर मुर्गी पहले आई या अंडा?
How does that matter? The issue is vegetarian anda.
But we need a square shape anda, right?
Sir, but murgi lays oval eggs, not square.
You make it possible.
I don't give eggs. Murgi does.
What's stopping you?
Science. And to be precise, biology.
Nothing is impossible. I am possible is egg. Sorry, edged in the word impossible. You will make it happen.
Can you make the yolk transparent?
How can I make the yellow white? Sorry, I mean, how do I turn the yellow transparent?
You have to do it.
Alright, I got this. Now, this is how the anatomy of an egg is. The yellow yolk surrounded by the egg white. Now, how about we present our buyers with a completely transparent square-shaped anda? No white, no green, no yellow. Completely invisible for all vegetarians and non-vegetarians.
पर क्या ये चलेगा?
हाँ चलेगा ना. In collaboration with our dairy company, we can have milk carton packaging to double our sales.
Milk carton packaging? That's ridiculous.
No, it's excellent.
Can we put a picture of a cow laying an egg maybe? That would be super cool.
Yeah, sure. Anything you want. Even if you want me to bend over.
How do we target the vegans?
Let's see. As it our eggs are invisible, so let's tell them they are highly organic.
Are invisible, square, Organic, fancy packed eggs. Brilliant. I see our sales touching the sky.
Yeah, to add festive appeal, we could add Easter Bunny to a campaign.
Yeah, right. I am the expert. I can make eggs lay eggs.
You know what? This is the positive approach I want. I want this product ready by tomorrow. Let's call it a day.
I came here for the phone. Can we have pink bows and wings to the eggs? Researchers say that they will boost our sales.
You want angelic eggs? You got it. I am the expert.
What happened to my pink bows?
If you relate to this and like this video,
You have to subscribe.
Make them subscribe.
प्लीज कर लो सब्सक्राइब भाई और उनकी बहनों मेरी नौकरी जाएगी यार
Please subscribe.